Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Neil Caesar. I am an artist, a singer, songwriter, a performer, a therapist, and I'm so happy and grateful that God gave me so many beautiful things to share with you, and here I am. But before I begin, I would like to ask you to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And also please don't forget to share my videos. And without further ado, let's begin. Hello, welcome to one more video. I am here in this beautiful public neighborhood exercise park in the south of Brazil, in Balneário Camboriú. I'm gonna show you how to use the air walk machine. Let's get into it. Before any physical activity, we have to warm up. We start with the reaching up. Reach. If you cannot go higher, you can go down. Reach, reach, reach. Rotate your shoulders 4 or 5 times forward and then backward. Backward. Now you do the big circles with your arms. Big arm circles. Now you do the big arm circles. Forward and backward. Next one is marching. Marching is very important. We should do it every day. Marching. And now the side step, you go to the right, to the left. Now ready to start. Hold on to the handrails. Put one foot up on the pedals at a time and start your walking motion. And stay there as long as you want. When you are done, slow the pedals down and keep holding onto the handrails and step off one foot at a time. And you are all set. And now if you want to come here in Balneário Camboriú and enjoy these machines, you are welcome. But I know it's not easy. Take care. Thanks for watching. Love and peace. Thank you so much for letting me show you these videos. It is so good to be here to make these videos for you. I hope you like it, and God bless you all. I'll see you next time soon. Love and peace.